everyone. This is Craig Shalahammer from OraPub. Got a really good webinar coming up for you about a topic that I haven't talked about in years, but it's weird that recently it's become very important to some people that I've been talking with. And that has to do with idle wait events. You know, idle wait events are usually purposefully ignored in our performance analysis. And there's a good reason for that. And that's because it typically diminishes or kind of hides what's really important to us and what we should be focusing on most of the time. But it's that not most of the time which we also need to master if we're going to be really good at Oracle performance analysis. So in this webinar, I'm going to focus on the idle wait event SQLnet message from client. I'm going to tell you about what it is, why it's so important or can be so important, and how to use it in both an Oracle time-based analysis and also in ASH-based analysis. And of course, you're going to be able to download any tools that I use in the webinar so you can do the same thing that I kind of demonstrate and talk about during the webinar. So I hope you can make it. I think it'll be a really interesting and practical webinar, and I hope to see you then.